Fly My Food has absolutely changed our lives. Efficiency is key in the hospitality sector, and with this new concept, our customers get their food delivered to them straight without even coming to us.
Fly My Food has honestly changed our lives. Not only do you get to have it from the comfort of your own home, it's almost quicker than going to get it yourself. It skips all traffic, and by the time it gets to you, it is still lovely and warm. They have incredible heat trapping containers to make sure that not only your food and drink stay warm and taste delicious.
Definitely does.
Fly My Food, your first class delivery service.